This is a safety laser scanner from SICK. With its two-dimensional protective field, it is an excellent solution for the hazardous area protection for mobile and stationary applications. But have you ever experienced safety in the third dimension? This is Safe Visionary 2, a 3D time-of-flight camera that opens up a totally new dimension for safety. With a safe 3D environment perception, you can reimagine safety concepts and bring productivity to a new level. Let me give you some examples. Imagine that your AGV also detects obstacles above the protective field of a 2D LiDAR sensor, avoiding collisions and increasing availability. Or imagine your collaborative robots working together with humans more efficiently by giving them an additional sense for their environment and make them safer. But Safe Visionary 2 has more to offer. Based on the Visionary T Mini camera, it provides very precise 3D measurement data for automation tasks. A real added value, as you can reduce the amount of components needed in your application. With its small dimension, it is very easy to integrate into your machine design, even when space is tight. Safe Visionary 2 operates without moving parts inside, making it resistant against shocks and vibrations, especially in mobile applications. And with its IP65-67 certification, the protection against dust and water is also ensured. You might think that the configuration of a 3D safety sensor is complex, but our intuitive engineering tool, the Safety Designer, helps you with that. Drawing a 3D protective field is as easy as using the diagnostic functions. Let's move into new dimensions together and make safety even more productive. Thanks for watching and see you next time.